Hey guys, please welcome back to the
Hi.
Yapa, and this is Amay, and we are going to discuss about the Group E of Euros
Euros.
2020.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
Group E consists of Slovakia, Spain, Sweden, and Poland. So
Poland.
start the prediction game, Amay. What's up?
Yeah. Nice. It's a okayish group. A lot will depend upon Lewandowski how he performs for Poland.
Yeah,
For Poland to like go through to the round of like quarters and semis.
exactly.
Uh, Spain have a decent young team. That Spain is going to be fun. I want to see how Spain plays this Euros because they have a very interesting team. They don't have like the big stars like Sergio Ramos. They've kept him out, but they have players like Pau Torres, who's interesting
And
player to watch out.
I'm also excited to watch out for Gerard Moreno, who has been sensational for Villarreal
Villarreal, yeah,
for 23 or 24 goals in that season. And
yeah,
I know that Poland's complete team depends on Lewandowski's goal scoring spree because
absolutely.
I'm not sure about the squad that they have. And उनके नाम भी बहुत funny है. Like they have a lot of whiskey,
Lachowski, yeah, yeah,
a lot of
yeah.
alcoholic substances like whiskey.
So yeah, I think let's go ahead then and
Please,
have a look at the teams so we can discuss on.
yes,
Can you just enable the sharing, please?
yes, sure. Hmm.
Yeah. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes,
Yeah. Okay. So now today we are talking about Group E.
Group E,
Group E has Spain, Sweden, Poland, and Slovakia. So
Slovakia.
not a difficult group for Spain to come out of. It's not the group of death, frankly, but it's an interesting
It's an
group.
easy go for Spain as well because
In that sense, if they like perform, because yesterday I saw their match, they had this friendly against I guess Lithuania,
huh,
and they played the entire under 21 squad
yeah.
and they defeated them 4-0. In fact, one of the players missed penalty for Spain.
Hmm.
So finally hota tha. And wow, after such a long time, I saw Tiki Taka being back
I
with
mean,
Spain.
I mean,
So
their
if
coach is
if
this guy, na, Luis Enrique, and he also has that tiki taka instilled in him because he was at Barca,
yeah, yeah,
and
absolutely.
he comes from that system, right?
So, but the youngsters that are coming through from Spain,
Hmm.
wow, exciting man! I had so much fun watching them play yesterday. It
Right.
was like the beautiful game is back. It was that good. So it will be interesting how the senior team plays.
Definitely.
Let's go through the team.
Yes.
In goal, I think it will be David De Gea. Unai Simon is there, Robert Sanchez is there, but I think David De Gea will be. I hope he doesn't have the like the problems he had in the World Cup where he left Cristiano का बोल दिया उसने
Oh,
बहुत प्रॉब्लम हुई
वो
पोर्चुगल.
three all
So
वाला
I
match में.
yeah, and it happens a lot of times with the De Gea, and I for the sake of Spain, I hope it doesn't happen this time.
I don't know like why he has
Yeah,
been that kind of vulnerable and he has exposed himself so much even in the Premier League because
I think all in EPL also, if you see De Gea,
uh,
he's much better with his legs than his like hands and body.
yeah,
Yeah, so I think that becomes a problem sometimes, his
correct.
positioning of hands
It
and
might be
everything.
it might be due
But
to the pressure of the like links amongst the defenses.
absolutely,
Yeah. So let's
if you can just go through the defenders, I'll go through the midfielder.
yeah, cool. So my left back would be Jordi Alba.
Yeah,
I'll play Pau Torres in the left center back. Arey yaar, but another surprising
yeah,
fact is like they have two center backs who are left footed.
yeah.
The first is Pau
But
Torres.
Eric Garcia can also play in the center back position, right?
Yeah, he can also play, but he's very young to be honest. Because Pau Torres and
Yeah, yeah.
Aymeric Laporte, they are the most reliable defenders right now in their squad. And
I think they are very the numbers are very less in terms of defenders. No? Don't you feel so
yeah, because
for Spain?
they have a lot of midfielders, na, abhi ke liye.
Yeah. So
And
there's a possibility that they may play 3-4-3. That's a possibility.
and I'll tell you another news today that broke out. Diego Llorente has been
Yeah. COVID.
COVID positive. Yeah.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
I think they'll have a replacement.
Yeah. So let's go through it. Jordi Alba
Yeah.
in the left back, Pau Torres in the left center back position, and Emerick
Laporte
Laporte has to play undoubtedly in the right center back position. And
and Cesar.
SP, yes,
SP will play.
SP
Jose Guy is also an option for right back, left back.
is a decent option.
I
Absolutely.
think Lorente ki jagah they have like decent defenders. That's a good chance that Ramos will be back maybe.
No
That's a
man,
possibility as a replacement.
he has to be in that squad, but I don't know like what's his issue. And given the fact that he was injured for most of the time at Real Madrid, so let's hope
Yeah.
Ramos will be back.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, I'll go through the midfield. Thiago Alcantara, amazing player, amazing distribution of ball.
Right.
I just hope if he has a good like Euros, Spain have a great chance because he just creates a lot of chances.
Exactly.
Busquets again, a great servant for Spanish football for a long time, playing in that CDM position always. And this time it will be needed much more because like they don't have the greatest of defense, like they don't have PK and Ramos behind them.
Right.
So I think Sergio Busquets position will be very important. I think Diego Llorente नहीं हुआ, Marcus Llorente हुआ, COVID positive.
Marcus Llorente is a midfielder, no? वो Diego Llorente होगा, I guess.
Okay. I thought the CDM got Koke again, a veteran Spanish player, has been playing for Atletico Madrid, a championship winning team this year. Marcus Llorente again a CDM. Danny Olmo is an exciting player to watch out.
Lovely player.
I have seen, lovely player. Rodri again, center defensive midfield. A lot of defensive midfielders, right?
Yeah, he plays
can
a
see.
defensive role. But I just remember from that Rodri incident, like we both of us, we predicted that he would play in the Champions League final, and it was like a
Yeah. That was like a wrong decision from
Pep.
frankly.
Yeah.
Fabian Ruiz, decent player. Pablo Sarabia is an exciting player again.
Okay.
To watch out for. Ferran Torres plays on the wings. Decent player. Not like it doesn't sound like a great midfield, frankly, like at the times of Iniesta and Xavi. But if they perform to like even 80%, I think they should be able to go through the group.
I mean, at that time when Xavi and Iniesta used to play, they were at absolutely peak of their powers.
Exactly.
Midfield
Fernando Torres could score goals and become the highest scorer in Euros with like Xavi and Iniesta being around.
But I'll also emphasize on that. Bench strength भी अच्छा है स्पेन का अभी के लिए, like decent है as compared to other teams in their groups.
Yeah, they have players like Adama Traore who can change the game if required. So exciting player है. Yeah. If you can go through the forwards then.
Right back position as well ना, Adama Traore वहाँ पे भी खेल सकता है actually.
हाँ तो that is what I'm thinking actually. There is a good possibility that they can go for a 3-4-3 and then place maybe Laporte, Pau Torres and Cesar in the center back role, and have like someone like Adama Traore and Jordi Alba on left and the right back positions. And then two in the middle will be Alcantara and maybe maybe Rodri or Alcantara, and 3 forward will be maybe Alvaro Morata, Gerard Moreno, Ferran Torres, someone like that.
Olmo भी खेलेगा,
Olmo, yeah. So there is a possibility the Olmo and center defensive midfielder can play. Pata nahi, let's see how Spain, because like most of the time they used to go 4-4-2 only. Right. So this time the team seems to be a little different. I don't know how they'll go through.
Let's see.
Yeah, if you can go through the forwards then for Spain.
Yeah. So see, as a striker, I would prefer Gerard Moreno, man. And Pedri has to play because Pedri is an exciting prospect. I've seen Barcelona's matches, and Pedri has been outstanding for them. And they've also inserted a 300 million car release clause, something, blah, blah, blah. And let's see. Pedri is an exciting prospect.
Yeah, and Morata is always there. If he comes up with the goods, will he have a Fernando Torres kind of season this time? Let's see. Okay, we'll go for Sweden then. Yeah, just go through the team.
Carl Johnson, Christopher Nordal, Robin Olsen.
Robin Olsen, Everton.
Written in bracket. Okay, he plays for Everton. Okay, nice.
ये अभी इंजर्ड हुआ था ना कौन who's the number one for Pickford
Pickford.
तो ओल्सन खेल रहा था
अच्छा,
ओल्सन
guy showed up. Okay, okay. Amongst these players, I only know Dejan Kulusevski, who is a midfielder. Victor Lindelof भी यार वो भी पता है.
ऑफ कोर्स लिंडेलोफ पता है ग्रैंडक्विस्ट पता है मेरे को एक्जेक्टली एमिल फॉसबर्ग हैज बीन अ प्लेयर लाइक जितने बार भी स्वीडन के मैचेस देखा ही इज ऑलवेज फीचरिंग
अच्छा
सो वो भी अच्छा प्लेयर है
Wolfsburg भी okay. For Leipzig, right?
मार्कस बर्ग है अलेक्जेंडर आइजैक आई हैव हर्ड गुड थिंग्स अबाउट हिम
I've also heard of it. He's a youngster, right?
yeah. So let's see how he performs in like Euros.
Yeah.
Sebastian Larsen, man, how can you forget?
Oh.
He's a veteran player for them, playing so many. They're gonna miss Zlatan though. Zlatan should be in the team. I don't know why he's not in the team. He can score anytime. He can give that extra like
he has
emphasis on winning.
Physical presence भी है ना उसके पास. Like he can.
बहुत है यार. So I'm surprised उन्होंने खिलाया नहीं है.
Yeah.
It looks like a decent team, not like a great team.
Yeah.
But again, like
let's see.
If they perform as a team, I don't know. Like उनका group इतना difficult नहीं है तो second position तक तो आ सकते. Possible है Sweden के लिए if they like do well.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go through Poland then. Fabianski again.
Szczesny. I'll go.
Who do you prefer, Fabianski or Szczesny?
Szczesny. I'll choose Szczesny over Fabianski.
Is it? I would prefer Fabianski, man. He's been amazing for. I think he's a West Ham goalkeeper, right? And West Ham have really performed.
Right. लेकिन ये शेजनी अच्छा खेला, ठीक खेला ना यूवेंटस के लिए रिसेंटली, या बुफोन खेल रहा था वहां पे भी.
यूवेंटस के लिए शेजनी हाँ खेला बीच में, बुफोन भी खेला. सो
लेट्स सी,
मतलब ये हुआ.
डिफेंडर
यान बेडनारेक
पता है, एंड बाकी के तो विस्की कोई पता नहीं.
Kamil Glik has been a player for a long time. I think most of the times they have qualified, he plays in the centre back position.
अच्छा.
बाकी तो इतना पता नहीं.
मिडफील्ड में familiar name.
Krychowiak, I think plays for PSG, right? PSG में था वो.
शायद. I know about Matthews Klich. He plays for Leeds United, right?
Yeah. Klich, amazing, good player.
I also know Peter Zielinski, who plays for Napoli.
Napoli, yeah. ये दो तीन प्लेयर पता है.
Yeah, and front line के बारे में हम कुछ ना बोले तो ही अच्छा है, क्योंकि एक ही नाम सबके लिए.
वही तो टीम है पूरा पोलैंड का. Frankly, Lewandowski scores and LeBron goals, वही तो है. खत्म. बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है. Now let's move to Slovakia. Yeah. Okay, Martin Dubravka, again Newcastle goalkeeper. Mostly he'll be in the goals. I don't know about the other two keepers. Skriniar pata hai, he's a veteran defender for the Slovakia for a long time. Duda is another player who's been playing for like Slovakia for a long time. Okay. Their star player is of course Hamsik. Like always. Like he's the captain I guess. So I
still remember Amay that I used to buy him in FIFA 12 when he was a wonder kid, and at that time the estimated fee used to
I think he played for Napoli during that time.
Yeah, he played
for Napoli, like Hamsik.
And the fee used to be like 60 or 70 million pounds at that time when I used to play FIFA 12. उसकी वजह से वो मुझे याद है अच्छी तरह से.
नहीं, अच्छा प्लेयर था. Like he performed really well for Napoli for a long time. उसके around team इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. But let's see, I don't know. Strikers, so I have no idea, man. You have any idea about the strikers?
No man, Duris Biris कोई नहीं पता मुझे.
कोई नहीं पता. Let's see. So जो players नहीं पता है, that's what excites me like this time. मेरे को इतने प्लेयर पता नहीं है ना, तो it will be fun watching Euros.
They can also get
देखेंगे कि कौन actually perform कैसे करता है क्या.
And तुझे और एक interesting fact पता है, like जो players हमें पता नहीं है, suddenly they can also get listed in the transfer market as well, and you never know which clubs like pick them.
Yeah, but I like frankly I'm really against such a policy कि यार एक टूर्नामेंट में खेल ले तो इसको उठा लो, but हो सकता है.
Yeah, so
Yeah,
let's do the prediction.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Group E, who
Spain.
will be first? Spain.
Spain.
Okay. Second. Poland.
नहीं अच्छा ठीक है चल. नहीं यार पोलैंड नहीं
नहीं
खेल.
तेरे को कौन है? Sweden.
I'll go with नहीं ठीक है पोलैंड. I'll go with Poland.
Okay, Poland, then Sweden, of
Sweden.
course, and Slovakia.
I think we
Okay.
this group.
Yeah, I agree with this. अपना सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम इधर है ना, इधर स्विट्जरलैंड वेल्स में ग्रुप ए में मैं बोल रहा हूँ वेल्स ऊपर होगा, स्वीडन होगा, एंड डी में वेयर आई एम सेइंग क्रोएशिया सेकंड होगा, स्कॉटलैंड